Hi guys, happy new year. It's finally 2018 and you know what that means. Today marks the first day of my new journey, moving ahead from me having heat damage and having to cut it off November 2nd of last year. I cut the rest of my heat damage off. A lot of that heat damage was really to the root of my hair, so I needed it to grow out a little bit before I cut the remainder of it off. I didn't record that part, so it's still very short. I mean, it's cute. I really have grown to like and love it again, so now I can officially get this journey started, which it starts today, January 1st, 2018. So from now moving forward, this is my new journey of growing my hair back out long and healthy and full. I see that it's a lot of people that are joining this journey with me, so welcome. I just wanted to update you guys on what's going on and how I'm going to be handling things moving forward. I plan on doing monthly updates on how my hair is going and what I'm doing to maintain my hair's health and length. I am going to redo my wash day routine because obviously my hair is different now. I have a TWA. Back then my hair was past bra strap with that wash and go or wash day routine. So you guys, I'm really excited to start this journey. Like, I get to take so many of you with me and we get to do this together. The TWA stage, I promise you, it really doesn't last that long, so I'm really gonna stress that you enjoy it while you have it, because I swear to you guys, once I had long hair, it was days where I really missed my TWA. Because I mean, look at this, like, it's so simple, it's elegant. You can dress it up, dress it down, you can do anything with the TWA, and it's so quick and easy to do your hair. I have been loving these past 2 months of really just getting up in the shower, washing it with conditioner, and just literally leaving, literally a wash and go. You miss those things when you don't have a TWA anymore, so enjoy it while you can. If your hair is stunted and it's not growing, because your hair is always growing, but if you feel your hair is not growing, it's because your hair is damaged in some type of way. I don't know, heat damage, probably manipulation damage, that's the thing. You do too much, you style your hair every day, that's gonna cause damage. And color damage, if you're not seeing length retention, your hair is damaged in some type of way and you need to figure out what that is. Now the best way for me to tell you to figure out how that is to big chop like this. But and again, I know a lot of you don't want a big chop like this, and I get that. If you've been stuck in the same length for a long time and you're wondering like, why isn't my hair growing, 10 times out of 10 you need to cut your hair if you're not seeing any length retention. Like, I'm telling you, it's damaged. You might not think it's damaged, but it's damaged. Cut your damaged hair off. Cut your damaged hair off. Cut your damaged hair off. Don't hold on. You think you're holding on to your length, but really you're not holding on to any. I mean, you're holding on to the length you already have, but apparently it's not working because your hair has not seen any change, any difference in inches in what, 6 months, maybe a year, maybe years. If you like the length you're at, do what you want to do. But if you're watching my videos because you actually want to grow your hair, you want to retain length, the first and foremost thing you must do is cut your hair. You have to, well, not just cut your hair, but cut your damaged hair off. The damage has to go. Like, I was finally almost at mid back length and I damaged my hair. My hair was damaged. Like, if I would have kept that hair, it probably would have just got shorter because the damaged ends, they're gonna break off. So my hair just would have started being shorter and shorter and shorter, and that's just defeating the purpose of the whole thing. I guess since I post a lot about hair and everything and hair growth, people assume that I'm vain about my hair. I do really love my hair in a healthy state. hair will come and go. Hair is not something that will stay to you or stay with you forever. You shouldn't be that attached to your hair to where if you cut it or if something goes wrong with it, that your life is over. My life is not over. I had a smile on my face after I cut my hair because it's just hair. It comes fast, it goes fast. That's life and that's hair. You can't be that attached to your hair, because if you're attached that much to your hair, you're pretty much gonna ruin your life with one mistake. I'm just saying all that to say this. I'm not attached to my hair, I'm attached to the growth. And not just the growth of my hair, but the growth of me as a person. No amount of hair is gonna make you happy. I love me with hair, I love me without hair. If I one day have to shave all of it off, I'm still in love with the person that I am in the inside. So hair doesn't make you, it doesn't break you, but it is a plus. So I'm really excited about this journey and I hope you are too. Like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys all in the next one. Bye.